Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm gonna do the trailer review for Rani Mukherjee's Mandali Free. So let's start. So the much awaited trailer for Rani Mukherjee's Stara Mandali Free has finally been unveiled, taking audiences into a chilling world of young girls going missing. The 3 minute and 16-second trailer excuse me marks the return of Rani Mukherjee as the bold and fearless cop Shivaji Roy, who is seen racing against time to rescue the girls trapped in a child trafficking racket. So this clip dropped viewers straight into the grim narrative as Shivali confronts a sinister crime network responsible for kidnapping multiply girls, so pushing her to the edge in her relentless quest for justice. As she continues to follow the trail of clues, Shivani comes face to face with relentless, powerful, and evil Amma, you see in the trailer, who runs a beggar mafia that predominantly targets children driven by an unshakable determination to save the victims. So Shivali dives deeper into the criminal underworld, risking everything to protect innocent lives. So the trailer is packed with intense confrontations, gripping performances, and bubbles of deep emotions. So it gives the deep emotions of the trailer. Turnbull, while Rani Mukherjee looks formidable in her iconic role. So returning with a renewed intensity, actor Malika Prasad, who plays this villain, Amma, so steps in as the main antagonist, Amma. Janki Bodiwala, who was also seen in Shaitan, plays a key role in the film. So yeah, she is in the film as well, and she was in Wash Gujarati film one and the sequel Jalvi Jali Bodiwala. Yeah. So the film is written by Ayush Gupta and directed by Abira Miliwala. Mardali Free is produced by Aditya Chopra as a YLF film under the banner of Yash Raj Films. So the makers recently announced a revised release date, advancing the film's premiere by to January 30. So this month the film will be releasing on January 30, 2026. According to an official statement, Madani Free will unfold as fast paced race against time following a police officer's desperate search for missing girls, sparkle about the dawn tone. So about the tone of the film, Rani Mukherjee describes as it an edge of the seat thriller that is dark, deadly, and brutal. So it has brutal scenes. What happens to these girls got kidnapped is heartbreaking. Is edge of the seat thriller. It just give this kind of feeling into the trailer. It's very brutal as well and dark and deadly as well. The trailer is yeah. So the film will reportedly feature a bloody and violent clash between Shivali's goodness and sinister evil forces. Yeah, everything has this kind of element as well, like emotional scenes, how the girls got kidnapped and brutally brutal is heartbreaking, heartbreaking to see. Yeah, is given an edge of the seat factor. This trailer has given. So, like I was saying, so it's released also coincides with Rani Mukherjee is completing 30 years in the film industry. So it's been 30 years for Rani Mukherjee. So Rani Mukherjee is fantastic, I would say. She's brilliant in the trailer, how she handles uh, this situation and all that. And plus, how she deals with this another scenario in a chapter of the character of Shivali. So yeah, it's very heartbreaking, and how Rani Mukherjee, she's brilliant. Like I said, Rani Mukherjee is top notch. It's great, good to see Rani Mukherjee back once again with this franchise called Madani. So the first Madani came out in 2014, was a successful hit. Plus Madani 2 came out in 2019. Yeah, just before COVID time. COVID time started then. Yeah, that was a sequel to Madani, which that was a little heartbreaking brutal because we had this Vishal Jetwa as this villain, Khatanak psycho, you wanna call him in the film. Yeah, that was another fella was heartbreaking, but how Rani Mukherjee handles, hats off. And this is gonna be another level of the first two films. She meets this uh, Malika as well as Amma. So she's looking very khatanak and dangerous villain in the film. And what she does is just yeah, is hard to bear to watch the trailer. But yeah, Rani Mukherjee is brilliant. She's brilliant in the trailer. Absolutely brilliant. So I'm happy to see Rani Mukherjee back in the third film called Mandali. Absolutely, she's outstanding with her role, and she fits very well with this character, Shivali. So she will pull it off. Definitely, she will pull it off. And this time, she faced this evil nemesis, Amma. So yeah, she will pull it off. So there's going to be twist on turns. There's going to be edge of the seat. Emotional scenes, heartbreaking. Tears will be going in the eyes. What's happening to this innocent poor girls got kidnapped? Yeah, it's very heartbreaking, guys. Heartbreaking for the trailer, but Rani Mukherjee will stand out. She's brilliant. She's a brilliant actress in Bollywood. She is another good actress I like about Rani Mukherjee, and she fits so well with the movie. You like crime patrol fellas, you see series and all that, CID and all that, but she fits very well in this role, and she will hit the bullseye at the box office. Absolutely, she's fantastic. Rani Mukherjee. She's brilliant. She's brilliant. Yeah, Modani films been successful. First two films. So now the third one will be coming out. End of January this month, 30th, 2026. So yeah, this has all the potential to succeed at the box office because of Rani Mukherjee character and her role, and everything is going to be edge of the seat. This kind of twists and turns in the film, you can imagine this is going to be heartbreaking, brutal, blood, rape. It is heartbreaking. This kind of scenario I can see because the trailer I've seen, it is heartbreaking. What happening to these poor girls and all that. Like I said, Rani Mukherjee will perform well at the box office. She is a brilliant actress, and she is doesn't come that often like she was brilliant in Kuch Kuch Hota Hai and other films in the past. Kabhi Alvida Na Kehla, those kind of films she was good. Rani Mukherjee, Chalte Chalte as well. Yeah, Rani Mukherjee is brilliant. Whenever she stepped into this character, she just rocked. She just rocked with Mandali. Absolutely brilliant she is. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. And she looks like a proper police officer. She will handle this evil nemesis, Amma. Absolutely fantastic. Yeah, this Malika Prasad, the name, who's the villain in the Khatalak villain. She's looking, but Rani Mukherjee will pull it off. Yeah, it will be a struggle, but she will pull it off. This character, and she will get justice, and she will get justice and save these innocent girls' lives. Shivaji Rao, brilliant, brilliant for Rani Mukherjee. So yeah, absolutely fantastic. Like I said, Rani Mukherjee, watch it for Rani Mukherjee only. Absolutely for Rani Mukherjee. She's brilliant. It's good to see her back, and I'd like to congratulate her for completing 30 years in Bollywood industry. So hope she comes with another film after this in the near future. Let's hope, because she can perform very well in Bollywood. Absolutely brilliant she is, Rani Mukherjee. एकदम बढ़िया, एकदम hats off to her. It's not easy. It's not easy to play this kind of role. It is not easy. And she prepared for it, and she focused, and she will hit the hammer at the box office. ये तो धमाकेदार करेगी रानी मुखर्जी. Absolutely love the trailer, especially for Rani Mukherjee. Absolutely, she's brilliant. So yeah, there you go. I love the trailer for Mandali Free. Yeah, absolutely brilliant. So there you go. That's my final verdict for Mandali Free trailer review. So I will see you in the next one. Bye.